Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So we want every sale automatically saved into a spreadsheet. Tracking revenue manually is slow and messy. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to connect Gumroad to Google Sheets for any automatic sales tracking. Fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So we're gonna go through some methods. Just make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Go and open your device, go through Bing, Google, look for Gumroad. Then we can go and use our automation tools. You can use Zapier or Make to connect them. For example, let's go through Zapier.com so I can show you the whole integration process. So as you see here, you have to search connections. They're gonna ask you to basically create a trigger, new sale in Gumroad for example. So we're gonna go all the way and look for Gumroad here. As you see, just tap on Gumroad. Now search for any paying apps. We're gonna go and look for basically, as you see here, post. Now we ain't looking for this, so let's go and look for Google Sheets, Google Drive. Let's go and check for Google Sheets. So when this happens, automatically do this. Now create your trigger, new sale in Gumroad, such action, create spreadsheet row in Google Sheets for example. Map fields like buyer name, email, product, price, date, whatever you want. Then you can give it a small test and turn it on. Now your spreadsheet shall update automatically with every sale. As for like a pro tip, create monthly tabs for clean accounting. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.